number one, I think you're an amazing person. I really do. I just think you're really cool. That's number one. Number two, I think you are an amazing person. I really do. I just think it's really cool. How did you feel with both of those?
I think on the second one, you kind of feel more like at ease and kind of heard, even though I didn't talk at all.
So I felt hurt.
Yeah, I felt hurt.
Oh, you felt hurt?
Yeah,
Oh.
I didn't even talk, but I felt very like...
You felt like I saw you?
Yeah, exactly.
Like it was genuine? Like it wasn't bullshit?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Oh, this man sees me.
Exactly, because the first one I kind of also noticed you like tense, so I'm like, oh, I don't know what's going on.
Oh.
And the second one, it feels like safe, and even though like we don't know each other, it does feel like much more like...
You know what's funny? Because times when I have been with women and I'm not being present, it's usually because I'm scared and trying to distract myself with the environment, which probably makes me feel tense.
Yeah.
But then when I am present and I let go, then all of a sudden I'm much more relaxed.
Completely. Wow. Okay. I totally understand that.
Oh, sorry, come on. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate you.
Thank you. It was nice to do this.
So, number one, you're the most beautiful woman in the world. How did that make you feel?
Yeah, you can make better.
Okay. Alright, Alright. You are the most beautiful woman in the entire world.
That was good. That was good.
So how you feel the second time?
The second is better. Yes.
How?
How?
Okay, translate this into German. Please let me know how I felt each separate time I spoke. Let me know what you felt.
Bitte sag mir, wie du dich jedes einzelne Mal gefühlt hast, als ich gesprochen habe. Lass mich wissen, was du empfunden hast.
No, I cannot say in English.
Understood.
Sorry.
But number two, good.
Yeah,
Okay.
Better.
Alright, danke schön.
Yeah, yeah, sorry.
No problem.